Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add money to PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is of course go to paypal.com or download their application, which option ever you want, and after that go and log into your profile. If you don't have one, you can always go and register to PayPal, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. Here, as you can see, we have the basic things. We have the home screen, the send, wallet, send and request buttons. We can go and transfer funds by clicking here, and of course the logout option in the top right corner of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add money to PayPal. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So the first thing that you of course need to do is of course add a card or bank, which you can do by clicking on add card or bank, which is here underneath the send button. When you click there, then you just need to of course add your card or your bank, and then you just need to go to and click on transfer funds, where you can go and transfer funds from either of your bank or account or card, wherever you want, have to your of course PayPal. And when you do that, you will have your funds on this account, of course. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow those few steps to know how to do it in no time. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll hope to see you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.